So we are here today to talk about Hot Rod Power Tour 2020. This is the vehicle that I recently purchased that I plan on taking to the Power Tour. It needs some love. I'm not going to be paying too much attention to cosmetic stuff, but I will be pressure washing it. It will get disc brakes up front. It currently has drums on all four corners. As you can see, there's a few whacks here. There's a little bit of rust here. Somebody did some shoddy work, but that's all right. Wheels are probably going to have to go. These are 14s. I don't believe the 14-inch wheels will accommodate the disc brake swap that I have. Overall, the car's in really good condition. There's no rust, other than that body panel that I showed you that had some poor body work done to it. Not bad. I picked this up relatively cheap. It was not a running, driving car when I looked at it. It didn't take much to get it running and driving. I believe all I ended up doing was having my wife pick up a brand new hot battery for it, pour some gas in it, and let it ride off. In the box there's some brand new exterior mirrors. As you can see, the interior is in really good condition for the age. I believe it's pretty much all original. I think maybe the dashboard's been repainted. You know, the lower portion here, because I see overspray on some stuff by the ashtray. What's sad is the headliner's in really good shape, other than those holes that I don't know what made those holes, either a moth or a mouse at some point. If it was a mouse, it doesn't smell like mice in here now, so that's always a good thing. So we're gonna check out the main work that I'm gonna need to be doing on this vehicle under the hood here. Sorry for flipping you upside down while I do this. So under the hood we have a small block Chevy 350. There's a new battery. Unfortunately, the number 8 plug is down. There was a non-Fowler adapter on the plug. I bore scoped it. If I could figure out how to put pictures up of that, I will put it up. Basically, the number 8 cylinder was full of oil. Shockingly, the AC works on this car. It did come with the original hubcaps as well as the original 2-barrel intake. I don't plan on running that stuff, but I hope everybody can come along with me for this journey to Hot Rod Power Tour. It's going to be a long one, exciting, getting this car worked on, so we can make the trip. The goal right now is to get this car swapped over to be safe, reliable. I don't want any issues coming up while on the tour, if at all possible. I know things happen. Sorry for the wind if it's bothering you, but we'll just wrap this here, and I'll try to keep progress going as I go. Talk to you later. Bye.